Hi guys, today we're gonna do just a simple painting. I chose already the colors and they're magenta, yellow, gold and Van Dyke brown. So let's go. Okay, I made a base of white. This was a previous painting of my last video. But I hate it to let the canvas just dry and then pour over it because it can crack then. A lot of magenta, love that. Some browns. I think here's some yellow and we use gold. Alright, and some white. Let's see if this will be pretty. Of course, my blow dryer. It's a piece of art itself, right? Let me see if the cells pop up. Composition is very different than normal, but I think I like this. It's very clean, a lot of white, but bright colors. I think I need my torch and pop up more. And this is the gold here. So when it dries, it reflects very pretty. And again, just water and acrylics. What I like is that I only used pink, yellow, gold and brown, but this is getting more purple because of the brown with the pink. It's very contrasting and beautiful like that. Okay guys, I'm just fixing up the corners a bit and the sides because I really want it to be beautiful white. Otherwise, when it's dry, I need to repaint it, and I don't like that a lot. I like this painting very much. Can you tell me what you think in the comments? And please subscribe if you like my channel. A lot more is coming, and we're gonna figure out some great stuff to show you guys.